Going to Kokomo Island, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to Kokomo Island, honey, don't you wanna go? Feel like going someplace that I've never been before. Down Kokomo Island. Got a woman down in Kokomo, her name is Bonnie Lou. I got a woman down in Kokomo, her name is Bonnie Lou. She got a knife so sharp she could cut you half in two. Down in Kokomo Island. Kokomo Island, always on my mind. Well, Kokomo Island is always on my mind. Make a boy go up and leave his mama behind. Down Kokomo Island. I don't know, babe, honey, do believe I will. Well, I don't know, babe, but honey, I do believe I will. I'm gonna take you, mama, to see my whiskey still. Down Kokomo Island. If the sheriff catch you, don't give him your right name. If the sheriff catch up, honey, don't give him your right name. Just slip him $5 and he might forget you came. Down Kokomo Island. If you got a pretty woman, better pin her to your side. If you got a pretty woman, better pin her to your side. If she flag my train, I'm gonna slow down and let her ride all the way to Kokomo Island. Take it home. Stunky Mutt is a brand new liquor. If you drink it real fast, you can get drunk quicker. Men drink Stunky Mutt to charge their power, while the women who drink it want to charge by the hour. Come get you some. Come get you some. Drink Dr. Stunky Mutt's moonshine whiskey. Won't you buy a little bottle today? What makes a bullfrog kiss on a cow? What makes a caterpillar wanna pull a plow? It tastes like monkey snot, drink like water. You could buy 2 bottles for $1.25. Come get you some. Come get you some. Drink Dr. Stunky Mutt's moonshine whiskey. Won't you buy a little bottle today? There's a new kind of liquor when you got the blues. You can feel it from your hips down to your shoes. It's close like a haircut, strong like a smell. Got something make a preacher say, well, well, well. Come get you some. Come get you some. Drink Dr. Stunky Mutt's moonshine whiskey. Won't you buy a little bottle today? Preacher in the kitchen when his pants caught fire. He jumped past heaven and he kept going higher. Dog caught a rabbit and he throwed him in the grass. And he ran in a circle trying to catch his own. Come get you some. Come get you some. Well, drink Dr. Stunky Mutt's moonshine whiskey. Won't you buy a little bottle today? Come get you some. Come get you some. drink dark stuck in my moonshine whiskey. Won't you buy a little bottle today?